Neil here from our clean. So we're going to be cleaning all of this asphalt. You can see how mouldy it is. We're going to start with a chemical spray on the asphalt. We're also going to be washing down the whole of this house from top to bottom, including an external window clean. You can see the mould that's developing, and also a lot of dust on the boards. Beautiful cedar home. We'll also be doing this crazy paving through here, so I'll show you as we go as well, but this is the beginning starting base, and I've already blown the driveway down. There was a lot of dirt and debris on the driveway which has now been blown out, and so now we're going to be doing all of this area through here as well. Okay everyone, this is Neil from our clean, and we're just about to start the cleaning of this crazy pave. You can see the results already. It's absolutely fantastic. This lady's preparing for sale, so obviously we'll want to present the property in a really good way, and these results are beautiful. This was after chemical was laid down. The chemical really helps remove the mold and mildew and just makes the cleaning process a lot faster and a lot easier. So yeah. Okay, have a look at this. Okay, so here we go. Fantastic results. This is the crazy paving completed. So really pleased with that. And then if you look here now at the asphalt, how fresh it looks fantastic. And look at what we've got here in terms of where we were at. Okay, so this is the asphalt finished results. As you can see, we've got excellent results on this. I'm going to show you. So this is the end product. I'll show you here. We're still working on the driveway, so I'll show you here what we had before. Okay, so you're seeing here is just the thing with asphalt is it takes a long time to clean it because of the textured surface. Holds such a huge amount of dirt, as you can see here, that's coming out from the surface, and that's to move that. It just takes time. As you can see here, this is a section that we did, which just really shows what can be achieved.